The AE110LK Flex Bathroom Exhaust Bath Fan is for those searching for a high-end alternative. There are many products available to choose from among bathroom exhaust fans, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1, Broan-NuTone 678 Exhaust Ventilation Fan. The most well-known manufacturer of exhaust ventilation fans is Broan-NuTone, whose goods are unquestionably found everywhere on top. When it comes to bathrooms, the Broan-NuTone 678 exhaust ventilation fan is quite effective in spaces up to 45 square feet. Its 50 cfm air movement capacity can also quickly and simply eliminate moisture and smells from restrooms of this size. Aside from that, the fan runs quite quietly, producing just 2.5 sonics of noise. When it comes to installation, it has polymeric duct connections with tapered sleeves that make it simple to set it in place. Moreover, during installation, you can use a 100-watt light bulb in this exhaust fan. Number 2, Broan-NuTone AE110LK Flex Bathroom Exhaust Fan. The AE110LK Flex Bathroom Exhaust Bath Fan is for those searching for a high-end alternative. Broan-NuTone is one of the leading manufacturers on the market and provides a broad selection of exhaust fans. This fan has an incredibly lovely and elegant design that will go with the majority of contemporary home decor. In reality, it also has a brilliantly integrated LED lighting module. The fan has an Energy Star rating and uses significantly less electricity than conventional fans since it has LED lighting. Additionally, the fan makes use of Broan-NuTone's True Seal damper technology, which helps to lessen air leakage and continuously maintain the 110 cfm airflow. In light of this, this fan is a great choice for bathrooms up to 105 square feet in size. Additionally, this fan runs at 1.0 S, which makes it quite quiet. Number 3, Delta Breez Radiance 80 cfm Exhaust Bath Fan. If you're seeking an effective fan option to place in a large bathroom exhaust fans from Delta Electronics should be your first pick. Speaking of the RAD80L Radiance exhaust fan's design and construction, it is rather slick and totally blends into the ceiling. In fact, the fan's light in the center offers superb lighting across the room. In actuality, it is made of galvanized steel, which prevents corrosion and extends its life. Although it is a more costly fan option, its 80 cfm efficiency and 1.5 dB low noise level make it very worthwhile. In light of this, it is an excellent option for bathrooms with a space of up to 75 square feet. It really uses very little electricity and has received the Energy Star label as an energy-efficient fan. Number 4, Broan-NuTone 696 Ceiling Exhaust Light for Bathroom. Once more, the same company, Broan-NuTone, provides us with another intriguing choice to talk about. If you have a significant budget, consider checking out this 696 Ceiling Exhaust Light for the bathroom. The fact that all Broan-NuTone exhaust fans are quite simple to install and deliver effective and efficient outcomes is the one thing we like best about them. If we talk about this exhaust fan, it has a strong 100 cfm airflow capability, making it perfect for usage in rooms up to 90 square feet. In addition, it has a light panel in the center that provides a sophisticated cast of diffused illumination. However, since the light is not included in the installation, you must install it on your own. You can readily obtain incandescent bulbs with a maximum power of 100 watts in any market. However, the noise level during operation is 4.5 S, which is rather high. Number 5, Homewerks 7141-50 Bathroom Fan. The next product on this list is a respectable exhaust fan alternative from Homewerks, one of the best reviewed companies on the market. Despite its small size, the fan has a respectable build quality because it is made of alloy steel. The maximum airflow capacity it can manage is roughly 50 cfm, making it perfect for bathrooms up to 50 square feet due to its tiny and portable size. It functions quietly and generates just 0.7 sonics of noise thanks to its precision construction and tiny size. It provides efficient ventilation and does a great job of eliminating practically all of the bathroom's excess humidity and smells. In terms of lighting, it has a brilliant white LED light module that emits 4000 K cool light and adequately lights the bathroom. Homewerks provides a 3-year guarantee on all of its exhaust fans because it is such a well-known and reliable brand. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.